Good day, our wonderful learners. Welcome to our channel. Auxiliary verbs do and does with not are the topic for today's video. These little words might seem simple, but they play a big role in making negative sentences. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use don't and when to use doesn't, along with examples to boost your confidence. We'll also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Are you ready? Let's get started. Do not. A short form is don't. And does not. A short form is doesn't. Are auxiliary verbs from the present simple, and they are used to form negative sentences. Don't is used for nouns which have a plural form and pronouns I, you, we, they. Doesn't is used with singular nouns and with pronouns he, she, it. For example, I don't drive a car. We don't go to the gym. He doesn't drive a car. She doesn't make cakes. It doesn't matter. Keep these rules in mind to form correct negative sentences. I can't say I doesn't drive a car. It will be incorrect. When we form negative sentences, it is important to match the verb with the correct form of the noun. For example, my flowers don't like direct sun. My garden doesn't have flowers. Remember, you cannot say my garden don't, because the garden has a singular form, so you should use doesn't. To make it easier to remember, you can always replace the noun with the pronoun, it or they. For example, the garden becomes it, so you use doesn't. Flowers become they, so you use don't. There are some nouns which have plural forms, but are used with singular verbs. The news doesn't make me happy. With the word news, we always use doesn't, not don't, because it is treated as singular. Some nouns always have a plural form, and with them we use don't when we make negative sentences. For example, these jeans don't fit me. I need another pair. My black trousers don't have pockets. Sunglasses don't have discounts in summer. There are some nouns which might seem tricky because of their form. Let's break it down. Some nouns called abstract nouns, like freedom, love, happiness, and so on, which represent ideas or feelings. With them, we use doesn't. If you feel a bit confused when you see or use these words, you can always replace this noun with the pronoun it. When you do this, it would be easier to remember as most abstract nouns are singular. For example, stress doesn't help solve problems. Success doesn't come without effort. We think of a sum of money or a period of time as one thing. So we use doesn't when we build a negative sentence. For example, $1,000 doesn't take long to spend these days. 1 year doesn't feel like a long time when you're busy. So to use don't or doesn't correctly, we need to know our nouns. If the noun is singular, you should use doesn't. If the noun is plural, you should use don't. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.